It is our pleasure and our honor to invite you all to this FDP Smart Manufacturing and Industry 4.0, the future of production. This FDP is organized by IQAC and RDC cell of Asian Business School. The FDP is designed and developed to equip educators with cutting-edge knowledge and skills in the areas of Industry 4.0, smart manufacturing, Internet of Things, and AI in manufacturing.
This FDP is providing a platform where everyone, the policymaker, the academicians and the industrialists, they can present their perspective on Industry 4.0.
We have the esteemed presence of our Director Sir, Dr. Lalitya V. Srivastava, under whose guidance and mentorship this FDP has taken place.
Thank you, Dr. Navita. Thank you, Dr. Tarmithta. And I'm happy to be here with you for the next 90 minutes.
The skills which makes a human, and the skills which deals with the human, it's not going to go anywhere.
We feel obliged to the Asian Business School. It's been really wonderful experience for all of us. Last 3 hours, these 3 hours we had booked in our calendar, and every session was great in terms of content, in terms of quality, in terms of illustration.
I really thoroughly enjoyed day 2, your session also, and I'm really with folded hand thankful to the organizer, Asian Business School,